Okay, you guys, it's Clark the Shark, and I'm just chilling in a rando living room, awaiting my good friend, plural, the ghosts. But they're like, Shark, we need better, dimmer lighting. Okay, you guys want dim lighting. They're like, that's how we work, Shark. We're ghosts. Okay, there's two Coca-Colas in the picture. There's a ghost merging with the two Coca-Colas, but I don't want that. I want you bigger. Okay, you see him. But what about this? You guys, let's go science.